So here we go. Hopefully you're able to see this one right away. Let's take a look at the tilting that's going on here. So I got a little, well, this is a little bit more straight, but we can kind of cheat a little bit with the line here. This is tilted back this way because we also got this line that's showing us. This is tilted this way. So we got this little tilt right here. So now we go in. This is our back pose. It's set, you see, you're seeing the same stuff over and over again, right? And it doesn't have to be perfect, but here's that center line right here. So we're going to curve this down right here. I'm going to erase this because I made a little bit of, just so you can see it clearly. So of course, if we want, we could put where the arm is going to be. And just to let you know, I just want to kind of show you a little bit, giving you a preview. Putting on the legs, and then the center line is like right here. The center line of the neck is right there. And so this is a side pose. So that's pretty interesting. Now, we can make this a bit more dramatic if we want it to, like this. And then we can really turn this on an angle. So we're going to have the freedom to do that. You can put both of these at like this big angle right here. That gets into a bit of perspective. I think eventually what we'd have to do is kind of cut a little bit of this off. Since this is a female character, I would much rather have the arm up like this. And I got it right up to the edge right there, I know. I can do that. But right now we're just keeping these boxes as they are so that we can see these a lot more clearly. And again, if you wanted to just kind of do an angle like this, or you can turn it a little bit more like that, it still gives us some of the same stuff that we want. Still get that curve like this. This also can do this. Well, I think I would probably put a little bit more like this, to where it's like that curve against curve. That's a little bit more straight. This is a curve going against this curve right here. I'm gonna take the back like that. So there's a few different ways that we can do this. So I want you to just go ahead and practice a little bit more. The more that you do these, the better you're going to get at them. The more you're going to understand the shapes, the more that you are going to understand a lot. Again, this is simple figure drawing. We're just trying to keep this nice and simple. By the time you're done with this, you'll be able to put characters, your own characters, over very simple poses. The characters that you create on your own. If you're going to do some fan art, that's fine. But you should be able to break down these into very simple shapes. So I'm going to stop talking. I will see you in the next section. All right.